Dear kids, welcome to our channel Kids Storyland. Today I'm going to tell you a tale of wise turtle and the importance of teamwork. In the enchanting forest, wise old turtle Tessa and kind squirrel Sammy were best friends. When Tessa noticed the pond drying up, she called all the animals to help. We need to save our pond, Tessa said. The animals formed a team with a clever fox, a strong beaver, a swift rabbit, Tessa and Sammy. They worked together to find the problem. They faced challenges, but with teamwork, they overcame them. The fox made plans, the beaver built bridges, the rabbit scouted ahead, and Tessa and Sammy guided everyone. Finally, they found a fallen tree blocking the stream. Together, they removed it and the water flowed freely again. Back home, they celebrated. Tessa shared an important lesson. We learned that when we work together, we can solve anything, she said. Sammy added, kindness and teamwork make us strong. Just like we saved the pond, we need each other for our forest to thrive. So, little kids, the moral of the story, the animals embraced teamwork and kindness. Tessa and Sammy's story became a legend, teaching future generations the importance of working together. The enchanted forest remained peaceful and joyful for all.